Welcome everybody to Live Case Break. This is Larry. We're doing a box of 15 Bowman Draft Jumbo for Mike B. This stuff is starting to pick up momentum again. People are buying a lot of Swansons. I've been getting offers on mine like crazy on eBay. We'll do 3 packs at a time. There's Kyle Tucker, not bad. Blue, sky blue Cole Stewart. Let's separate the chrome and the paper. Benny paper. All right, Soroka, Burrows, Whitley. There's a Richie Martin refractor. This is a Marlins Naylor and Romero dual. Bradley Zimmer refractor. This is a black gray paper out of $4.99. Brian Mundell. Tyrone Taylor, Preston Morrison, and Kyle Crick. Your chromes. Got some more paper. Cardenas, Dugar, Kirby. There's a Dansby Swanson Fantasy Scouts. Fantasy Impact. Crawford refractor. Spencer Adams, Richie Martin, Giolito, Harrison, and Gatewood. And some more paper. Alright, so no autos yet. 3 autos still living in these packs. Alright, let's see. Well, oh, there's your first auto. It popped right out of the bottom. Taylor Ward. Taylor Ward for the Angels. You also got a Matt Olson numbered paper out of $4.99. Sleeve, look at old Taylor. That's paper. Allen Marshall, Burr Betts. You got a Roman Quinn sky blue refractor. Still 11, Tim. Still 11. Franklin Barreto refractor. Garrett Whitley draft night. Chavis, Meadows, and Reed. Did everybody see Chavis got suspended for 80 games? PEDs. Matt Tuella, Denton, Isaiah White, Benton Moss, and Trey Supak refractor. Devers, Jones, and Collins. Bickford, Fulmer, Brendan Rodgers. You got a Kyle Crick Fantasy Impact, Blake Trahan, and Justin Giacomi refractors. There's a Luke Weaver draft dividends, Falter and Hill, and McMahon. Rest is paper. Alright, so we still got 2 autos left. 2 autos are still lurking in these 6 packs. We got purple. Let's hope that's refractoring. Randolph, Caprillion, Ponce, and let's hope it's signed. This is Demi Ormelo, Jake Cronenworth, and your refractor purple is Donnie DeWeese, numbered to 250. Brendan Rodgers draft, Zimmer, Beatty, Gillespie. Still autos lurking. Lucas Williams, Zach Irwin. There's a J.P. Crawford Fantasy Impact and an Eric Jenkins refractor. There's your auto. This is Jordy Lara, and your auto is Bo Burrows. He's actually halfway decent. Bo Burrows for the Tigers. Taylor Ward, Ryan Clark, Robinson, and Peterson. More paper. Trahan, Moss, Finley, Moore. You get Sky Blue of Adams. Brian Mundell, Refractor. Howard, Lopez, and Pickett. The rest is paper. Alright, one auto left. Let me just plug my phone in. I'm running out of battery. Alright. One auto remains. Let it be a bright color. Paper, paper, paper. Russell, Naylor, Degano, Kramer. There's a blue. Let's hope it's signed. It's a Courtney Hawkins Sky Blue, a Courtney Hawkins regular refractor, and a Roman Quinn blue refractor. That is out of 150. Adames and Newcomb. Alright, your auto's got to be coming up soon. White, Riley, Holder, Tim Anderson, Drew Finley, and Roman Quinn. Has been a Roman Quinn fiesta. Dansby Swanson, Hunter Renfro, David Dahl, Urias. We are leaving the auto for the end. Straightening up this stack. Alright, somewhere in this stack we have an autographed card. Come on. I see a refractor. Hopefully it's signed. Tate, Ray, Wotel. This is Josh Stomont refractor. Cole Stewart refractor, and your auto is here. It is Chris Shaw. Chris Shaw of the Giants. Chris was a first-round pick of the Giants that year. Bo Burrows, I know, was a first-round pick of the Tigers that year. And let's check on Taylor Ward. Taylor Ward's a first-round pick of the Angels, so all three guys first-rounders. Nicorak, French, Kornhauer, and McGill. The rest is paper. And that is the break. Dave, let me know what you want shipped. I mean, Mike, I'm sorry. Let me know what you want.